Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my recipe for the best glazed chocolate cake. If you like chocolate cakes, you will definitely love this one. So, let's get started. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine sugar, cocoa powder, butter and milk. Stir until melted and smooth, then remove from heat and add chopped dark chocolate, rum or vanilla extract and espresso powder if you want to get that deep chocolate flavor. Then set aside to cool. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder and salt. Now it's time to separate the eggs, then beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Slowly pour the cooled butter mixture over the egg whites, folding gently with a spatula. Repeat until fully incorporated. Don't worry if it looks a bit off, that's totally normal, just trust the process at this point. Add the egg yolks, followed by the dry ingredients and fold until just combined. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined baking pan. I use a fairly big one, it's like 23 by 33 centimeters. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. To make the glaze, chop both the dark and milk chocolates and place them in a heat-safe bowl. Heat the heavy creamed and pour it over the chocolates. After about 5 minutes, it should look like this. Once the cake has cooled, pour the chocolate glaze on top and sprinkle chopped walnuts over the glaze. Slice into 15 pieces or more, serve and enjoy!